Hi, my name is Connor again, and I want to show a view about a thing, and he has rocks on this part number 3. He on this helicopter, he put his face in the thing where the back, and he like put his face like there, and he never gets dead. Like, he has the rocks armor, and if you shoot him, it's like, and bye. I was sure.